How to claim Roblox Plus. Want Roblox Plus? Here's how to claim it safely, whether free trial or paid plan. So log into roblox.com, log into your account, click the gear icon to go to settings. So head over to settings and then go ahead and select settings from here. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and head over into the billings or subscription section. So in here, you'll be able to find all of your active subscriptions. This is where Roblox Plus plans appear. Select Roblox Plus. The base plan is $4.99 per month, or choose bundles with 500, 1000, or 2000 Robux monthly. If you already have Roblox Premium, you'll see an option to switch to Roblox Plus with a 1-month free trial. Enter your payment details or confirm the free trial. Roblox Plus is now active on your account. With Roblox Plus, you unlock discounts, unlimited private servers, direct Robux transfers, and creator tools. Claim Roblox Plus through official Roblox settings. Premium users get 1 month free. New users start at $4.99.